having me. My name is James Arias Salandron, and I recently completed my Bachelor of Engineering Technology major in Electronics Technology at Technological University of the Philippines, Taguig Campus. Throughout my studies, I developed strong skills in circuit analysis, troubleshooting, and electronical system maintenance. I worked on various projects involving AC and DC circuit, component testing, and phasor analysis. After graduating, my next goal is to take the ECT board exam and become a licensed electronic technician. I'm eager to apply my knowledge in a real-world setting, gain hands-on experience, and contribute to a company where I can grow and further develop my expertise in electronics technology.
That's great. Now, can you tell me why you're interested in this position?
I'm very interested in this position because it allows me to apply my technical skills in a hands-on environment. I admire Bolt Edge innovation for its contribution to the electronics and renewable energy technology industry. And I believe my background in electronics, repair, troubleshooting, and maintenance align well with the responsibility of this job. I also enjoy working in a team and collaborating with professionals to solve problems efficiently. This role is a great opportunity for me to develop my skills further and gain real-world experience in the field.
What experience do you have with troubleshooting electronic circuits?
Hands-on experience troubleshooting electronic circuit, from simple to complex issues. During my training, I diagnosed a faulty power supply circuit by checking the voltage reading, inspecting components, and identifying a defective capacitor. After replacing it, the circuit functioned properly. I follow a step-by-step troubleshooting approach. Visual inspection, multimeter testing, component isolation, and final testing to ensure proper functionality.
That's a good approach. What are your greatest strengths and weaknesses?
One of my biggest strengths is my attention to detail. In electronics, even a small mistake like incorrecting wiring or a missing resistor can lead to a failure. I always double check my work to ensure accuracy. Another strength is my problem solving ability. I enjoy diagnosing electronic issues, whether it's in a PCB circuit, a power supply, or a relay system. I take a logical approach and stay calm under pressure. As for weaknesses, I sometimes spend too much trying to perfect a repair, which can slow me down. However, I'm learning to balance efficiency with accuracy by setting time limits and prioritizing tasks.
Can you describe a challenging situation that you face and how you handle it?
During a lab project, my team and I troubleshoot a motor's control circuit that wasn't working. After confirming the wiring was correct, I follow a structured approach. I checked the power input to ensure a stable voltage, tested components with a multimeter, and found a burnt relay and a blown fuse. After replacing them, the motor functioned properly. This experience taught me the importance of patience, teamwork, and throughout analysis.
Safety is important in this field. What safety measures do you follow when working with electronics?
This is my top priority. I always disconnect power sources before working in circuit and use protective gear like gloves, safety glasses, and insulated tools when needed. I make sure to discharge large capacitor to avoid stored voltage, hazard, and follow lockout procedures when working on industrial system. Additionally, I carefully follow circuit diagram to prevent wiring mistake and ensure safe, accurate working.
Good to hear. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself as a certified electronics technician with expertise in industrial automation, telecommunication, or embedded systems. I like to gain advanced troubleshooting skills and possibly lead a team of technicians.
If you're working under pressure like an urgent repair?
When I'm under pressure, I stay calm and organized by breaking down the problem into steps. For urgent repairs, I quickly assess the issue, prioritize critical fixes, and work efficiently while avoiding mistakes. I also communicate with my team we needed to ensure a smooth and effective solution. Staying focused and follow a structured approach helps me resolve issues accurately, even in high-pressure situations. I believe that clear thinking, teamwork, and experience help in high pressure situations.
Why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I have solid background in electronics, particularly in troubleshooting and circuit analysis. My attention to details help me identify and fix issues accurately, even under pressure. I'm highly motivated to apply my skill and continuously improve to keep up with new technologies. I also work well in a team and I'm committed to delivering quality results. I believe my technical expertise and strong work ethic made me a valuable addition to your company.
I appreciate your time today. We will be reviewing your application and we will get back to you soon.
Thank you.
Good morning. Thank you for coming here today. Let's start with an introduction. Tell me more about yourself.
Good morning. My name is John Jorian D. Jaslani, and I recently graduated with a Bachelor of Engineering Technology major in Electronics Technology at Technological University of the Philippines, Taguig Campus. During my studies, I gained hands-on experience in circuit troubleshooting, electronic system maintenance, and AC/DC analysis. I'm currently preparing for the ECT board exam because I want to become a licensed electronics technician and build a career in this field. After passing the ACT board exam, I plan to pursue a ladderized program to earn my engineering license. I believe that taking this step will help me broaden my expertise and open up more career opportunities in this field of electronics engineering.
Can you tell me why you're interested in this position?
I'm very interested in this position because it allows me to apply my skills in electronics repair, troubleshooting, and system maintenance in a professional setting. I've always been passionate about working with electronic systems, and this position gives me the opportunity to work on real-world projects and improve my technical expertise. I also appreciate the company's focus on innovation and technological advancement. I believe that my background in electronics technology and my commitment to continuous learning make me a strong fit for this role.
That's great. What made you choose electronics technology as your path?
Ever since I was young, I've been fascinated by how electronic devices work. I enjoy assembling and fixing small gadgets at home, which sparked my interest in electronics. As I pursued my study, I became passionate about solving real-world problems in electronics, like troubleshooting, faulty circuits, or improving system efficiency. I enjoy the challenge of analyzing, repairing, and optimizing electronic systems, which is why I chose this career path.
What are your greatest strengths and weaknesses?
One of my greatest strengths is my problem-solving ability. I'm good at identifying the root cause of electronic issues and finding effective solutions quickly. I'm also very detail-oriented, which helps me avoid mistakes when working with the complex circuits and systems. Additionally, I am a quick learner and always eager to stay updated with the latest advancement in electronics. As for my weaknesses, I sometimes tend to overthink when working on complex problems, which can slow down my decision making. However, I'm working on improving this by learning to trust my knowledge and expertise and seeking advice when needed to make a quicker and more confident decisions.
Why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I have a strong foundation in electronics technology, hands-on experience in troubleshooting and system maintenance, and genuine passion for this field. I am a quick learner, detail-oriented, and committed to continuous growth. Currently preparing for my ECT board exam and aiming for my engineering license. My technical skills, problem-solving mindset, and adaptability make me a strong fit for this role.
Well, I appreciate your time today. We'll be reviewing your application and we'll get back to you soon.
Thank you. I really appreciate the opportunity and I look forward to hearing from you.